Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a common problem that many developers might face. So, picture this: you have a login button on a website, but when you click on it, the expected backend functionality doesn't seem to be executing. Frustrating, right? Well, that's the problem we're tackling today. Now let's get into the solution. After some investigation, it was discovered that the missing namespace declaration in the specific page was causing the issue. Once the namespace was added, everything fell into place. The OnGet method started executing as expected, allowing the user to sign out successfully. Sometimes it's the tiny details that make all the difference, right? In summary, a simple namespace declaration was the key to solving the issue of the login button not functioning correctly. Remember, the devil is in the details. Alright, that's all for today, folks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy coding!